Hello guys, welcome to second session of the Web API. In this session we will see some basic details that are required before starting the Web API. Start with the URI, which stands for Uniform Resource Identifier. URI is used to send the request to the server. The term URI includes both URL as well as the URN. URL include the two things, protocol and the domain name. In this example, HTTP is the protocol where the www.chamley.com is the domain name and the /API/method/parameter are the query string for that request. There are multiple HTTP methods which can be used according to the user requirement. Get, post, put and delete are the most commonly used method. Get method is used to retrieve the data from the server, where post method is used to send the data to the server. Put method is used to update or replace the content. Delete method is used to remove the data from the server. Here method is identical to the get method, except that the server must not return the message body. Option method describe the communication option. HTTP status code. Every response contains the status code which specify the status of our request. 100 to 199 code are reserved for the informational detail. 200 to 299 are for the success. 300 to 399 are for redirection. 400 to 499 status code are reserved for the client side error. And 500 to 599 are reserved for the server side error. Following are the commonly used the status code. 100 represent our request is continue. 200 represent our request was successfully sent, that is okay. 204 represent returning the no content. 301 represent the move permanently. 304 represent the not modify. 500 represent the international server error, which is a server-side error which occur when we are write something wrong in our configuration file. 400 represent the bad request, 401 for the unauthorized, 403 for the forbidden, 404 for not found, 405 for method not allowed, 414 for the URI is too long. 405 occur when we are using the get method and try to access the method that is 405 is occur when we are using the HTTP get verb to access the method which is specifically designed for the post method. 404 occur when we are trying to access the controller or the method that does not exist. Each request return the response. Response can be in the any format, including the plain text to the rich media. JSON and the XML are the most commonly used format. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. JSON is a lightweight format that is used for data interchanging. MIME type for the JSON is application/JSON. This is the simple example of the JSON in which we are using the curly braces to represent the object. It contains the three properties: name, capital, and the currency. Name of the property is right on the left hand side, where the values are right on the right hand side. Name and the value pair are separated by the colon, and each property are separated by the comma. If you want to learn more about the JSON, then you can also refer the my another series on the JSON. XML. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. It is a markup language like the HTML. XML is a commonly used format for the data interchanging. MIME type for the XML is the application/HTML. Here is the simple example of the XML in which we are using the HTML like that, but names are the custom that we can use our own name. Thank you guys for listening. If you have any doubt, then please post in the question answer section or the place a comment. Have a nice day.